Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys, I need to tell you guys something about my old house. The garage doors and its openers. I have no idea what the doors are, but they look like 1990 style. There are two doors actually, a big one and a small one. They both ran with LiftMaster 1345s. I have nothing left about it, but all I have is this. Here's the remote. I don't think it's powered anymore. Looks like it's really dirty. It's an old style LiftMasters remotes. It's kind of dirty right here. Right there. I have no idea which one is powered. But this is what it looked like. This is the last thing I only have about the openers. It's the remote.